we're given the annual earnings. And then this is for soccer players. There are players who are earning between 5 to 10, 10 to 15. And then we are given the frequency table, which is 5 to 10, how many of them? And then we have 25 to 30. The first question says which we should estimate the mean. Now, yesterday when we spoke about group data, we said challenge with group data is that the data is going to be concentrated in the middle. Now, if it's going to be concentrated in the middle, for us to get the middle value, we're going to assume that everyone who is in this class is going to get exactly the same salary, which is going to be 5 plus 10 divided by 2. And then it gives us 7.5. Okay? And then this one here is going to say, if you say this one plus this one, it gives us 12.5. Yeah? And then this one plus this one, it gives us 17.5. This one and this one, it gives us 22.5. And then this one and this one, it gives us 27.5. Now, then we said we can do the mean without the calculator. We can do the mean by saying X mean is going to be given as 7.5. We are going to times it 9 times because that's the frequency. Plus, we can then say we have 12.5 multiplied by 5. Plus, we can say we have 17.5 multiplied by 2. Plus, we can say that we have 22.5 multiplied by 1. Plus, we can say we have 27.5 multiplied by 3. And then here, if you add this one and this one and this one and this one, you check how much do you get? You get 20. So we're going to divide by 20. And then if you do that without the use of a calculator, what do you get? You get 13.5. So this is going to be 13.5. Okay. Now, another way in which this thing can be done, you can do it with using your calculator. If you're going to use your calculator, you're going to go to mode. And then if you go to mode, you're going to press option 3, which is test. And then you press 1. From there, it doesn't have your frequency. You need to put your frequency on your calculator. You will press shift and then you press setup. And then from there, you press the downward arrow. You press 4. And then you say the frequency should be on. And then you say you have 7.5 equals to 12.5 equals to 17.5 equals to 22.5. And then you have 27.5 equals to. And then from there, you can press the downward arrow and then you change the frequency. Now you have 9 equals to 5 equals to 2 equals to 1 equals to 3 equals to. And then from there, you store your data. And then from there onwards, you can say shift and then you press 1. If you want to get access of the mean, you can press option number 4 and then you press 2. You say equals to. And then it says which our mean is going to be given as 13.1,5. Yeah, they will give us 2 marks for that. And then if we go to number B, they say calculate the estimate standard deviation. Now, if we were to estimate the standard deviation, we'll press AC and then we go back to our calculator. And then we press shift. We say shift and then we press 1. If you say shift and then we press 1, option number 4, and then option 3. Our standard deviation is going to be, is what? 7.7. 7.17. Yeah, like if you don't know, guys, write off your calculator to 2 decimal places. So you can simply go to shift mode and then you go to fix your calculator. And then if you fix your calculator, you press 6. And then you say to 2 decimal places. It says good, it's 7.18. The other one that we said we should know is how to write down the modal class. Okay? So how are you going to write the modal class? For you to be able to write the modal class, you are going to check the one with the most frequency. Okay? So which one seems to have the most frequency? And then it says which number C is going to be equal to? Yeah. It's 5. X is greater than 5, but X is going to be less than 10. Yes. We're supposed to draw a histogram after it. So this is the grid is provided. We have 5 to 10. So between 5 and 10, we have 9. So you come and check 9. 5 to 10 is going to be 9. Here it is. So this is going to be a histogram. A histogram is continuous. Okay, and then the next one, what we have, 10 to 15. 10 to 15 is 5. No? Yeah, you go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have something like this. Okay, next, they say we have what? 2. No? Next one is 2. Here it is. And then the next one, we have 1. Okay, here is 1. And then last one, it's 4. No? It's 3. The last one. Okay. Where did I get 4, man? For us being able to draw a histogram, they will give us 2 marks for us to be able to know how to draw a histogram. And then here you are going to give yourself a total out of, so you get 1, 2 here, and then you get 1, 2 here, and then you also get 2 here. All in all, you are going to give yourself a mark out of 8. And then we are done with this one.